Good morning, dear children. Children, I hope you are fit and fine at your home and you are studying well at your home. So children, our today's topic is shapes in chapter number 6. So we are moving to chapter number 6, shapes. As I have already given you a syllabus of maths, that chapter number 5 is not in your half yearly syllabus, it will come in your annual exams. Okay, so that is why we are moving directly to chapter number 6. After chapter number 6 we will again move to chapter number 5. Okay, so today's topic is shapes. So children, you all are aware of various things around you. You have your pencil box, your school bag, your books, and there are many decorative things in your home and many things are around you. And you also know that each and every object has some shape. Each and every object has some shape. Without shape, there is nothing in this world. Okay, each and everything, each and every object has some shape. So our today's topic is shapes, and we will be discussing shapes in brief, about different kinds of shapes and about their properties, and we will be discussing this chapter in detail. Okay, before moving to different types of shapes, let me show you some things and let us see of what shapes they are. So first of all, let me show you this ring. Okay, so this ring is circular in shape. This ring is circular in shape. It is a circle. Okay, now next one. You can only see this face. Okay, only see this part of this object. It is square. It is a square. If you see only this face of this object, it is square in shape. Okay, now next one is rectangle. So you can see it is in rectangular shape. This is a rectangle. Only see this face. Okay, it is rectangular in shape. Okay, now next one is triangle. So as you can see, it is a triangle. Okay, it is a triangle. Now what are the properties of a circle? A circle is round in shape. A circle is round in shape. It is a curved line. As you can see, it is a curved line. Okay, and a circle has a center. A circle has a center. This is a circle and it has a center point. Okay, now what are the properties of a square? A square has all the four sides equal. Okay, this side, if this side is 2 centimeter, this side will also be 2 centimeter, this will be also of 2 centimeter, this will also be of 2 centimeter. Okay, so a square has all the four sides equal. Okay, now what are the properties of a rectangle? Rectangle, as you can see clearly in the picture, only these two sides are of equal length. These two sides are opposite and only they are of equal length. If it is of 2 centimeter, it is also of 2 centimeter, and these two sides are equal. You can clearly see these two sides are equal. If it is of 3 or 1 centimeter, it is also of 1 centimeter. Now what are the properties of a triangle? A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Okay, so these are different kinds of shapes: circle, square, rectangle and triangle. Okay, so in your copy, in your maths copy, you have to write first different kinds of shapes, then you have to write first circle, draw its shape and then write examples. Okay, you have to write examples on your own. Look around, find things that are circular in shape, then write second square, draw this figure, okay, and then write examples. Write the names of the things that are in square shape. Then same you have to do for rectangle and triangle. Write their names, then draw these pictures or these diagrams, and then you have to write their examples. Find the things that are circular in shape, that are in square shape, that are in rectangular shape, and that are in triangular in shape. Okay, so you have to write it in your copy. Now our next topic is straight line and curved line. Okay, it is about line. Okay, so first of all, what is the line? Okay, let us discuss about line first. So this is a point. Okay, this is a point, and now draw similar points like this. Okay, and join these 2 points. Okay, join these 2 points, and when we join many points or when we join dots, we can say we are forming a line. So line is a cluster of points. When cluster of points are joined together, they form a line. And line is of 2 kinds, straight line and curved line. Okay, so now for explaining this, take a thread like this, okay, and stretch it tightly. Stretch it tightly. You can see this is a straight line. Okay, you can clearly see that this is a straight line. I have stretched it from its 2 end points, and you can see that it is a straight line. Now when I loose it, okay, when I let it loose or when I make it loose, so you can see it is a curved line. You can see there are curved lines in between this thread. Okay, so what is a straight line? A straight line is when you stretch 2 end points of any thread, of any rope, so it will form a straight line. Okay, and when you let it loose, so it will form a curved line. A curved line has curves in between. Okay, it looks like a curve, so that is why it is called a curved line. This look like straight, that is why it is called straight line. Now let us discuss about kinds of straight line. So there are 3 kinds of straight line: vertical line, horizontal line and oblique line. Okay, there are 3 kinds of straight line: horizontal line, vertical line and oblique line. So the line that is in standing position is called vertical line. The line that is in standing position is called vertical line. The line that is in sleeping position, it is called horizontal line. The line that is in sleeping position is called horizontal line. And the line which is in slanting position, the slanting line is called oblique line. Slanting means थोड़ा सा जो टेढ़ी है, थोड़ा सा जो झुकी हुई है, that is called oblique line. Okay, it is a vertical line, that is a standing line. It is horizontal line, that is a sleeping line, and it is the oblique line that is somewhat slanting, or we can say जो थोड़ा सा झुकी हुई है. Okay, so these are 3 kinds of straight line. So in this chapter we learned about different kinds of shapes. There are mainly 4 kinds of shapes. What are those? Circles, square, rectangle and triangle. Then we learned about line, and there are 2 types of line: straight line and curved line. Okay, then we learned about different kinds of straight line. There are 3 kinds of straight line: vertical line, horizontal line and oblique line. Okay, so you have to write all these topics in your copy, maths copy. The first topic I gave you about shapes. You have to find different types of shapes around you, that which object looks like which shape. So you have to write it in your copy. Okay, then you have to write about lines, that there are two types of lines, straight line and curved line. Then you have to write kinds of straight line, vertical line, horizontal line and oblique line. So this is your today's work. Do it in your maths copy. Thank you.